Today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a tiny, tidy Tuesday. In today's tiny, tidy Tuesday, I'm going to clean out another drawer in my bedroom, so stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. First, I want to thank my dear friend Melinda from Melinda Plain and Simple for putting this tiny, tidy playlist together. Please check out her channel along with today's tiny, tidy playlist in your description box below. Before I go and clean out a couple of my drawers, I am going to make some sachets for my drawer. And basically, I'm just going to put something in my drawer that's going to make it smell better. So my clothes always smell fresh whenever I get them out. So I am going to use these little mesh bags that I ordered on Amazon. I have a whole big bag of these, and I chose black because my bedroom has a lot of black and it's like a mesh bag. And then I'm just going to take this Gain, these little scent boosters, little fireworks things, and I'm going to pour some in each one, and this will leave my clothes smelling fresh and clean for weeks.
They were in high school when they met, and things got kinda awkward. With sparks in the air, he would stare at her in class, and she would try to act cool. But it was obvious, like, ooh, they would be together, ooh. Then one day she said, write me a love song, 'cause I know you'll make it beautiful. And maybe I'll call you my sweetheart, and promise nobody can steal me away. Then I am yours, 'cause I want you, and I wanted you to know. He looked at her and then he smiled, picked up a pen and paper, and started writing. Probably
Just because I want these to be nice and secure, I went ahead and did all of the ones in here, but I just wanted to show you that I am just tying this over and doing a little knot. And then I'm going back around and doing another knot on this side. That way I know it's nice and secure when I put it in the drawer. Okay, so I think I'm going to actually do 2 drawers today because I'm ready to finish out this piece of furniture. This is just my sock drawer, so I just need to take all of these out, and I know I have some that I can declutter. Then beside it, I have this drawer, and this has like tons of black socks, like the longer black socks. I'm probably not going to do much in the way of decluttering with these, but I do need to take this out, wipe everything down, and put everything back. And I'm also going to use my little new drawer things to put in there, the little smell good things.
From my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. baritone, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food.
Okay, so I just want to quickly go over anything that I decluttered. First of all, I decluttered both of these and replaced them with fresh ones. So that makes 2 items. I'm just going to throw those in the trash. And Lily wants to say hello. You want to say hello again, Lily? Okay. Then I have this pair of socks and I have this pair. So that makes 4 items total. 2 more pairs. So that makes 6 items. 7, 8, 9, and 10. And I am decluttering these because they are the small kind. And my shoe tends to eat these. So I just think it's best to just go ahead and get rid of these. And when I declutter my socks, I just throw them in the trash can. Or sometimes if I need to, you can take your sock and you can put it on your hand and you can use it to dust your blinds with, clean your ceiling fans with, clean your lampshades with, even clean your TVs off with. So that's always another way to recycle your socks. So again, that makes 10, 11, and 12. This black pair, 13, this white pair, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 8. Sometimes I like to see how people do fold stuff, and I roll my socks, and what I do is I take a pair like this, right? So I lay it flat. And then I take the matching one, so it's like this, and I put it on top like this. So I just kind of put this one up a little bit taller than this one, and then I just roll it. And then I take the top of the one in the back, and I just secure it around like that. And then it just fits into my drawer nice and neat. This is how I like to fold mine. I know everybody has a different way, but I just thought I would share that with you guys. So I decluttered 18 items total, and it took me about 10 minutes total. I don't even know if it took that long or not, honestly. So anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that I did find some things to do, and to remind you that you do not have to do everything at one time. You can do something like I did and take just a sock drawer or 2 sock drawers and do it, and then you can do some more the next day, do some more the next hour, do some more the next week, whatever works best for you. I hope you found this video motivating or inspiring in some way. Let me know down in the comments what you did along with me, and remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Love you. Bye-bye.
Your favorite music on all the way baritone.